everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to assemble an Ikea high chair. This will be a full tutorial, but also a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. This is the Ikea high chair that I'm speaking of, just to show you what it looks like. And it comes with the high chair itself with the removable tray over here. And it also comes with 4 of these legs over here. If you take a look at each of the legs, you can see they have this little button that you can click in. Now, basically, within the chair, there are 4 sections for the legs with a little button, a little opening for the button on each side. Now, what you can do is you can push the button in, okay, and slide it into place. But I found a little bit of an easier method that I want to show you. If you turn the leg, check this out. If I turn the leg so the button goes in that little pocket right there, in that little corner, okay, if I turn it so that the button goes in that little corner, I can slide it up in there without pushing the button and just rotate it, and it clicks into place. So I'm going to show you that again. Really, really cool little trick. So if I take the high chair, okay, and I take the leg and I slide it in there, just get you a better angle right here. There we go. I slide it in there. You can see the buttons right over here. If I slide it in to one of the corners, I'm not pushing the button, but I can push it up, rotate it, and the button clicks in place. So you don't have to actually push the button in until you want to remove the legs and disassemble it. Once again, I'm not going to push the button. Look, my hand's all the way down here. Check this out. Slide it up, rotate. Just like that, okay? Extremely quick, extremely effective, extremely simple. Slide it in, rotate. That's it. Obviously, before you use it, just give each of the legs a little tug to make sure that they're nice and securely in place. You always want to do this just to make sure that the legs are nicely in there. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.